Today we're going to explore Straddle Throne, a nice pose to learn after you feel comfortable with bird. Flies. The following movements are taken from my bird warm-up, using the hip shift and bringing your knee to your elbow. So flies. Create 3 points of contact by pushing through your hands and creating a hip shift so your knee can come up to your elbow. Bases. When the flyer has stopped moving, bring your free leg to their inner thigh, close to their knee, and you should feel the seam of their pants on the ball of your foot. If you don't go wide enough, it makes it hard for the flyer to wrap their leg around your shin. Flyers. Once you feel the base's foot on your thigh, wrap your legs around the front of their shin, and then you can use your toes to lock your position. Shift your weight onto one leg to be able to repeat on the second side. After both legs have wrapped, the base can bend the knees so the flyer can sit tall and the hands can disconnect. Now you're up in Straddle Throne. Take your time practicing Straddle Throne. Really feel all the points of contact. Take your time, wait for the other person to move first, then you go. Coming down is the same as going up. Bring the hands back through the middle to reconnect. Flyers, if you need to come down, remember to unhook your leg so you can land on your feet. Practice safely.